Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can rearrange your home screen in the REALME 11 Pro Plus. So in the first step, if you want to open the home screen, you just hold the finger on the empty place on your screen. Now you can start from the wallpaper, like a live wallpaper, so just tap on one and choose apply. Then select the place for it, like a home screen, and now we have a new wallpaper. Okay, the next one, icons. If you want to change the icon design, allow a permission, and you can do it here. Just tap on the custom and now you can choose the shape. You can see I have a preview, size of the foreground and size of the icon. You can also choose the Adobe system colors and turn off the app names, but if you want to keep the app names, you can also change the size of it. Then click apply, and that's it, we have a new icon design. Okay, the next one, widgets. If you want to add any, just hold the finger on it and swipe to the home screen in the empty place. If you want to resize it, just hold the finger and wait till edge, then just swipe it. If you want to remove that, hold the finger, choose remove, remove again, that's it. The next one, layout. If you want to change the amount of application in the rows and in the columns, just select your favorite one and click apply. Now the transition, the effect when you're swiping the pages, so tap on anyone to play the preview of that and choose your best one. Click apply and that's it. Now you can go to the more, and there is a place where you can change your animation speed to make your phone a little bit faster. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.